I think that this is a very special place because it's where you can get an urbanized experience, but we exist within and really are enmeshed in a beautiful natural environment. Our waterfalls and our creeks attract a wonderful mix of people.
Energize New York Property Assessed Clean Energy is a financing program that allows the financing of energy efficiency and renewable energy projects for commercial and nonprofit projects.
I'm working to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and energy use both in government operations and also throughout the community. NYSERDA's role for the municipality is the grant funding, the technical assistance. I think it's really helpful to have someone to walk you through it, show you the financing, show you the numbers for it. It's a key component.
The other role that NYSERDA has played in all this is just developing the framework of clean energy communities as a program.
We often advise on property-assessed clean energy financing as a way in which these energy efficient measures can be financed and be cost-effective for the business owner.
This building here was built in 1953. We renovated it over the last couple of years. I am mostly a technology person, so I love to fool around with new technology. And having a canvas, I was able to try out a bunch of new energy technologies that I had been interested in. We did solar photovoltaic on the roof, and there are about 140 solar panels that cover the whole roof. So those are the sorts of things where a small business person can really take advantage of some hidden resources and get benefit.
We're proud of the work that we've already done with NYSERDA to bring options to the people who live in the city of Ithaca, options to get their energy from places that are cleaner and greener. And by 2030, we'd like to be net neutral citywide.
The green building policy is really exciting. It would require all new construction to be built to 40 to 50% lower greenhouse gas emissions than code requires.
It's not just because, we're Ithaca, we're Tompkins County, because we have this mindset that things are possible. This is possible for everyone. And the more people that kind of take that in, I think the better it is.
It's a very exciting time in Ithaca. We're growing, which is nice. And we've decided to grow in the right direction. What we're seeing is the fastest growing economy in New York State. Turns out that growing smart means growing well.